The blockchain allows you to settle something of value almost instantly. In the case of banks, wiring money overseas can take days, sometimes even weeks. So it's no wonder that the banks are currently exploring ways that they can integrate blockchain into their payment systems. For instance, Ripple is a popular cryptocurrency that's based on a distributed ledger, mostly run by the banks, that will help them settle transactions and move money quickly and more efficiently over blockchain rails. Goldman Sachs-backed Chain recently bought Poloniex for $400 million, and this is a popular exchange to trade crypto assets. Morgan Stanley recently listed a job opportunity for cryptocurrency analysts. So I think there's also demand from their customers to learn more about blockchain and cryptocurrencies and figure out how that banking customers can make it a part of their investment portfolio.